First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create AI videos for Facebook ads, start by defining the product, service, or offer you want to promote. Before generating the video, identify your target audience and decide on one clear message you want viewers to remember. Next, plan the advertisement as a short sequence of scenes. Start with an attention-grabbing opening, introduce the product or service, show its main benefit, and finish with a clear call to action. For each scene, write a detailed Veo AI prompt. Describe the subject, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, colors, composition, and advertising style. For example, you could create a premium product demonstration in a modern studio with realistic lighting, smooth camera movement, detailed textures, and professional commercial cinematography. Generate the scenes individually and carefully review them. Make sure the product, logo, packaging, or other important details remain accurate and consistent. If the same character or product appears in multiple scenes, use consistent references and descriptions when supported by your workflow. Keep the opening visually strong because the first few seconds are important for capturing attention. After generating the clips, combine them in a video editor. Add a professional voiceover, background music, captions, sound effects, branding, and a clear call to action. Keep important text and visual elements positioned so they remain visible within the ad format. Before publishing, check every claim, product detail, price, promotion, logo, and piece of text for accuracy. Also make sure the music, images, voices, logos, and other assets you use are properly licensed. Finally, export the finished video in the format and aspect ratio required for your Facebook advertising campaign. And that's how you can create AI videos for